How to log in into Freshman employee account. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today in this quick tutorial, I'll guide you through the step on how to sign in into Freshman team employee account. So let's get started. First of all, open your preferred web browser on your computer or mobile device. In the address bar, type in freshteam.com and hit enter. Look at the top right corner and click on the login button. You will be taken to the login page. Enter your work email address in the login email field and click on continue. Next, type in your password. Make sure to enter it correctly. Then click on the sign in button. After logging in, you will be directed towards the Freshteam dashboard. Here you can manage your job application, track your tasks, view your team's schedules and access other HR resources. And that's it. You are now signed in into your Freshteam employee account and get ready to work. Thank you for watching the video till the end. Hope you like the video. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe our channel for more tutorial like this. See you in the next video.